guys, we are playing Roblox today, and we are playing, and I am gonna be a fighter fire. But it costs Robux, guys. It costs Robux to be a firefighter. For me, it does not anymore because I bought it with some Robux. So let's hop into it. Okay, let's go to jobs. Fighter fire. We go to join our team. And then we go right here. Here we go, guys. And just get that away. Fire. Okay, and then this I already bought it. It's $0. Okay, guys. Everything's kind of glitching now, as you see. You might not want that, but guys, I'm so sorry. It glitches. It is my computer ready to go, gosh. I do not know what's going on. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, that's wrong. That's it. No, no, copy. I'm on the wrong channel. Guys, excuse me. F is to flip over, guys. Uh-oh, I hear some. I is. That thing that's flashing right there, red, white, is actually my fire. Yeah, gosh, you turn so hard with fire. You have to like go backwards, forward, back, and then. So yeah, guys. Oh my god! Oh, watch it, pal. You see it, time. You hear the horn. Now I'm stuck. Thanks to that guy. More like most. Well, oh gosh, is this? Hopefully, it's not the bridge. Well, this guy's gonna yap at me. Oh, cause my game froze before, and like everything went wrong before my game froze. It literally like went like this guy went go. He said it was close. He closed it. He wouldn't let me go. That was not nice. Excuse me, sir. Oh gosh! Good thing, good thing, good thing, good thing. Now, Really, dude? Really? Did you little pussy? I'm the fire, not you. Okay, you're not the fire. Okay, whatever you think. You excuse me, push me again. And watch what. Never, guys, never push a police off. Okay, if he tries to tip your car over, like, just hit them. I don't care what you do to them, as long as you hit them. This is my first time being a firefighter, though. Mm, 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 Eat off is all just use that. Okay, how about the oh, hey, don't shoot it. Don't worry. I don't know how. Oh, stop it, you. Just sit here. Yow! Yow! Yeah. Now I'm my truck, my fire, and I help. I gave up. Okay? Give up on me. I'm the guy. Okay? Mm-hmm. And now we'll firefight. I don't know how. Okay? 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 I don't know how. Traffic cone. Okay. What just happened? Okay. Maybe I was a good idea. Traffic. Oh. I mean, oh god. That was a chill guy. Trying to done that. I have to get a new firefighter. Look like that. Fun. Will you bond with me? I'm a Tony D. Oh, ow. Don't any fire. Oh, let me find a mode I like. Yeah, I don't like that. I like this one. Wait, wait. Now I need a. No, I don't want you. Five. Fire trucks are not good at all. Okay, let's just quit. I quit. I quit on this. I want to see your job like a truck job, guys. Truck person doing this. Truck and that guys never ever do that unless you're in Roblox. But I was irritated. That was quick. Ah, that sure. Now what? This one is not the same, guys. Okay. Oh, okay. So, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. No, I don't. Yeah, guys, I don't know how to pull out fire. Okay, that's all I don't know is how to pull out a fire. Okay. Oh, oh gosh.